Take off my makeup with me. Gotta get this beautiful flower crown out and this veil. I'm literally living my Nicki Minaj fantasy with this wig. Take these contacts out. There's one. Oh, there's two. Get these gems off. These eyelashes are massive. This is so pretty, I don't want to take it off. Here we go. Oh, depression. Like seriously, please appreciate the detail on this neck. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, scary robot edition. All right, let's take this contact out. Oh. Well, this should be fun. Ah. I need 2 hands for this one. My eye's literally crying. I'm gonna take some makeup now. Please don't get in my eye. Please don't get in my eye. I'm gonna go shower and get the glue out of my eyebrows. Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know exactly what this is, but I feel like it looks cool. Let's get these lash boys off. I guess I'm just gonna start pulling this off. My eye is watering. I look very interesting right now. Let's try to wipe this off. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off. Get unready with me, Virgo edition. This look is so cute. I'm gonna get rid of the headband and the lei. Get these contacts out. Yeah. I'm gonna try and get these eyelashes off. There's one. Ow, ow, ow. There's two. Now I'm gonna rub some of this in. Goodbye, Mr. Butterfly. And Mrs. Butterfly. I'm gonna try and wipe this off. I look super cute now. Let's see if I can get that off. Oh my god! And the other side. Get these eyes off. I look like I have a 5 o'clock shadow. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, Ice Queen edition. Let me take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. There's a gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair. Get unready with me, New Year's edition. This took me a hot minute to do, and I've had it on for literally like 10 seconds. Let's wipe off these beautiful, luscious, glittery lips. Oh. I'm gonna spray some of this. Oh, here goes the fireworks. Right eye. Left eye. This towel is amazing. Let's get rid of the forehead. Thanks for watching. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a flash water, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you. Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here, and here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower. Hi, I spent a long time doing this makeup. I've had it on for 30 seconds and now we're gonna take it off. Just like, appreciate it one more time. Let me get my hair out of the way. Let me take these contacts out. Now we're back to blue. I don't even know where to start. Like, there's so much glitter on me. Let me get these eyelashes off. I'm just gonna wipe it with this towel and try and get the paint first, and then we'll worry about the glitter. I'm just gonna literally swipe my forehead and see what happens. Oh, wow. There is glitter everywhere. Like, look at my eyebrows. I'm just gonna go shower. What's up, you guys? I'm gonna attempt to take this makeup off. Let's appreciate it one more time. Okay, so lashes, I guess. Oh, this is already not going well. What? Ow! Okay, let's get this off. I literally made this out of hot glue and put everything on it. Yeah, this probably took me like 2 hours to make. Try to get some of these gems off. And now we start wiping. There's definitely a bunch of glitter in my eye. Gotta get this side. This lipstick is actually edible glitter stuck to lip gloss. This is not my hair. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Orbeez edition. All the Orbeez are already sliding off. Don't ask me why I did this because I don't really have a good reason. I just like Orbeez. Okay, here we go. Let's get the nose up. Ooh, this feels so weird. Oh, it's in my mouth. My face really do be shiny though. It's literally in my ear. I wish I just had an Orby face all the time. Okay, let's get this side. Oh. It's down my neck too. Okay, well, now I have Orbeez everywhere and my face is really sticky, but thanks for watching. Follow for more. Get unready with me, Taurus edition. I literally love how this turned out. Okay, let me get these lashes off. There's one. Oh, ow, there's two. Let's get these contacts out. I'm gonna try and get some of this glitter off. Nope, I'm just gonna start wiping it. Get the other cheek. Let's get the forehead. Eye, lips, eyeball. That didn't work. There's very little I can do with this neck area. Okay, but why does it look like we're watching Disney Channel? Well, I think I'm gonna go shower. Please pray for me. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a flash water, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. Get Get unready with me, skincare edition. Okay, let's get these lashes off and these contacts out. Now I'm gonna spray my makeup with some water. And I'm gonna apply this Cocoa Kind Oil to Milk Cleanser. So now I'm just gonna start rubbing that on. Get the forehead. Can't forget about the neck. Now I'm gonna go rinse this off. Now that that is all off, I'm gonna go in with the Cocoa Kind Texture Smoothing Cream. So I'm just putting some of this on. Now I'm going in with my Resurfacing Sleep Mask. Now I'm going in with the Revitalizing Eye Cream. I like this one a lot because you can apply it directly to the under eyes. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. Pumpkin edition. Let's start with the eyes, eyebrow. This towel literally takes it off so easily, you guys. This is my limited edition Halloween makeup eraser. You guys know I use these towels in all of my take off my makeup videos. There's only a limited quantity available, so get yours before they're gone. And just look at that. All you have to do is wet them with a little bit of water and then just wipe it off. They're also very much reusable. You just throw them in the washer or just hand rinse them with water. Link is in my bio if you want to grab one. Get unready with me, Ice Miser, Heat Miser edition. First, I gotta get rid of these contacts. Now I'm taking off the lashes. I painted this one white myself because I didn't know if you're supposed to buy them white or if you can paint them, so I just painted it. I don't exactly know how the best way to do this is, so I'm just gonna go in. I'm literally gray. Why? Why is this happening to me? I don't know how I'm gonna get this paint off my ears, and I put literally acrylic paint in my hair. I don't think that's safe. If this isn't commitment to good quality, I don't know what is. 1 like equals 1 prayer. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. Covering my entire face in googly eyes part 2. So don't ask me why I decided to do this. Everyone send a prayer to the minions that my eyebrow does not fall out after this. Although I don't have the best feeling. Now I'm not gonna sit here and claim that I make the best content on the app, but you're here, aren't you? And hopefully somewhat entertained. And also just keep in mind that I am sacrificing every pore on my face for this video. And if you listen closely, you can hear them screaming. Filling in all those crevices. The nose. Reveal in 3, 2, 1. This is our final look, you guys. Maybe I should go surprise my friends like this. Take off my makeup with me, Arrow Heart edition. I have to be on a meeting in like 5 minutes. Okay, let's get this arrow off the top of it. Ow! These are the biggest lashes I've ever had on my face. The 2 little lash spikes. I really do not know how I'm getting this off in like 3 minutes now. I'm gonna be stained pink. And I don't even have time to put on foundation to cover it. Yeah, this glitter's gonna be a problem. Let's try to get these out without getting glitter in my eyes. This is the best I can do here. I'm gonna go wash my face. Take off my makeup with me, Rocky Person edition. Get rid of this wig. Now for the contact. I have 1 eyelash on. Now I'm using some makeup melt. Let's see if that'll accomplish anything. Oh my gosh. Gotta get that neck. This is never coming off. This is not going well. I'm trying so hard. Ah! Totally forgot that my ears had paint on them. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, Botched Barbie edition. First, I'm gonna take off these lashes. I literally don't even know where to start. I'm gonna try and start peeling off this liquid latex. Oh my god. What is going on? Ow. Okay guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Oh my god, why does it kind of look like bacon? Now I'm gonna just try and start wiping things and see what comes off. I just spilled makeup remover all over me. Are you kidding? Love that for me. I look great. I'm gonna go wash the remnants off of my face. Now I'm back to my natural state. Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. I take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching.